Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the rest of the month of May 2026. Nowhere I'm claiming to be a medical practitioner, medic, medical practitioner, financial advisor, or anything else. I'm just a spiritual advisor, and that too, I'm just on the path of doing that. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Sorry, let's start. Let's see, for your health we have Four of Pentacles. Okay, you guys are going to be holding on to something very tightly. Like there is some kind of stiffness, joint stiffness, some kind of energy of, okay, you might be having this habit of grabbing your pillow a lot and sleeping like this, and that is hurting your back, or some kind of issues are happening because of that too for some of you. But for others of you, it's like more of a stiffness, body stiffness, joint pain, something related to your joints or something related to your bone density is there that you guys should take care of. Okay. And for some of you, you guys are feeling financially unstable, and you guys are trying to hold on to your finances like crazy, and that is having a direct impact on your health also, physical, mental, emotional, all kind of. Guidance is the Two of Pentacles. I think you should look out for other options too, in order to stabilize your health. Maybe you guys are working on something, you guys are doing something, and it's not working out anymore for you, right, regarding your health thing. So you should look for other options too, right? At least one more option that can help you to make your health come back on track, or start, that will help you to start making things work out in a beautiful and positive way. So try to find other ways also to stabilize your energies. For your career, whether you are doing job or business thing, we have the Temperance. Things are going to be slow but beautiful and peaceful. Slow moving, patient, beautiful, peaceful, and growth is happening. It's like something that is going to make you feel happy and content from inside. It's not going to be like a boom, drastic changes, and everything is going to be like, oh my god, everything is different. It's like very slow, very steady, very peaceful, very gentle kind of energies. Temperance is like very patient card, not losing your mind, not losing your temper. So temper. So it's like patience, slowness, steady growth is happening. Guidance here is the Six of Swords. Whatever is not matching with your energies anymore, whatever is not matching with your career goals or career path anymore, you guys have to start letting it go from your system, from your energies, Capricorn. If you guys are still holding on to something or someone that is not good for your career, that is not good for your long term career growth, then it's the time has come for you guys to let it go, slowly but surely release it from your system for good. Okay, now for those of you, sorry, yeah, looking for another job, another career opportunity, whether it's business or other, or job or business, whether you're a fresher or experienced, we have the Six of Pentacles. There are chances that you might get another opportunity, but that might not be the one for you because of the lack of equal give and take of energy, because of the lack of balance. It might not be the dream job or dream career opportunity that you guys are looking forward to have. Yes, it can help you to get the bread and butter and pay your bills and maybe have a steady source of income or something, and there are chances you guys are going to get that opportunity. But I don't think so this is going to be something that you are looking forward to have, like a dream job or dream career kind of a thing. But this situation has a potential to, for the time being, that can help you to move forward, keep moving forward. Guidance here is the Knight of Swords. Don't be in any kind of restless energy, don't be in any kind of restless, impulsive, or this kind of energy of, oh my god, I'm going to show the world who I am, or making any kind of life changing choices or decision based on impulses when it comes to your stability. This is your career, this is second most important thing in your life after your health. So if you are going to be impulsive, if you are going to be reckless, if you are going to be in this energy of doing something just out of uh, restlessness or impulsiveness, you might end up regretting it later on, Capricorn. So patience, a lot of patience is required. For your finances, we have the Three of Swords. I'm really sorry to say that, Capricorn, but something might hurt you. something in the sense your finances are not going to give you that kind of growth that you're looking forward to have. See, hurt and pain is different for every person. I might get hurt with the idea that I'm not able to save 100 rupees. Okay, so I had this plan of saving 100 rupees, but I ended up saving only 98. Then also I can get hurt, right? So it's not like something is going to break your heart into pieces and you will never be able to recover that from that. Please don't take it like that. A lot of readers I have seen, they are taking three of swords as something like, oh my god, your heart is broken, your energy is dying, blah blah blah. They keep on saying stupid things to people and then making fool of innocent people on internet. Three of swords simply represents that you might not get your results as per your expectations. Doesn't mean that you're never going to get it. It's a minor arcana, and it's definitely recoverable, and it's definitely something manageable. So your finances are going to suffer a little bit, but if you're going to take care of it, if you're going to be aware and alert, I don't think so it's going to be some kind of major losses that you will not be able to handle. Okay, so please take care of that. Guidance here is the Queen of Swords. Be have this month, at least for this month, have a proper strict strategy and plan about your finances, like how they should go, how they should enter in your space, how you should proceed further, how you should spend your money, how you should save your money. Proper strategy and planning is required, and sticking to that strategy and plan is more important than making the plan itself. Like I'm going to make a plan to look like a 26-year-old like girl again. Okay, and for that I have to do a lot of hard work. Still I have the chance to do that. But if I'm not going to do anything, I'm just planning, I'm never going to have that. But I don't want to be. I was fool at that time, so I'm good. Just an example. I don't know from where it came from. It came out of my mouth. Anyways, for your spirituality, we have the Judgment card. I'm getting this card a lot for you guys, people, like for all of us, in a collective energy in your spiritual things. So something that was not working out for you, you might have stopped that. You might have put a full stop on something, like, okay, this is not working out. Let me stop this. Will start working out again. Something is going to resurface. Maybe some kind of pain or trauma or something that you have left behind because you felt like, okay, this healing modality, this shit is not working. It will come again in your awareness, so that this time you are going to make sure that you're going to work on that, right? So slow and steady progress is happening, and something that you left behind will resurface, so that you can heal it and release it properly, and you can walk on the path of your healing and spirituality with good energies. Guidance here is the Death card. This is a major transformative energy. If you guys are not going to take care of this thing that keeps on repeating itself again and again and again, might be after every 5 years, might be after every 10 years, doesn't matter. You are stopping your own growth and expansion. You are stopping your own energies from transforming. Transformation is very important. So something wants to come out so that it can be transformed and healed, and so that you can become your better version. Mind you, when we don't heal our energies emotionally, especially the deep-rooted emotional energies, it reflects in every area of your life, every area of our lives. So the more you are going to be emotionally stable, emotionally okay, and mentally at peace, the more your life is going to be sorted in actually every area of your life. Everything is interconnected, Capricorn. Everything, fucking everything, energetically entangled. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.